Check wall level, no floating dust, no hollowing, no cracking before construction. Scrape the anti-cracking mortar on the base layer. Foundation leveling can be done after drying. Second anti-cracking mortar coating. Scrape until the wall is flat. Roll or spray. Roll coating is even, and there is no missing coating, no sag phenomenon. After drying, proceed to the next process. Pay attention to the beauty of the divider and sides. Brush black line paint along the lines. Dry with black line paint. Paste masking paper as separator. Evenly required. No sag, no leak coating, no bottom leak. Medium coating construction. Do not apply too much at one time. Wait until dry before proceeding to the next process. First pass atomization. The spray gun is perpendicular to the wall, 40 cm to 50 cm from the wall. Uniform spraying after drying. Can perform the second pass of step-on point spraying. After the second coat is dry, the effect of non-leaking intermediate coating is better. When rolling coating, first roll horizontally, roll vertically, make the face all cover evenly, and no leakage coating, no sag phenomenon.